Okay, on this video we are looking at the volume of a cuboid, or otherwise known as a rectangular prism. We have to remember when we're getting a volume, if we can get the area of a base, such as this one here, and that same shape, the exact same shape, is on the top, like right here, then we get the area of the base and we multiply it by the height, which in this case is 6. So the height equals 6. So we can say that the area of the base times height equals the volume. We have to make sure that that's true. Going here, the volume is the base, which is 2 times 8 times the height, which in this case is 6, and 16 times 6 isn't as easy for me as 48. Let's say 48 times 2, which is 94. Now, besides just the numbers getting multiplied together, we also have all these units that get multiplied together. Here's centimeter, centimeter, centimeter. Centimeters times centimeters times centimeters. And these actually have an exponent that add together. So we get centimeters cubed, which makes sense because volume comes in cubic units. We would put a little cube here and we'd count 94 cubes in this shape here. 94 1 by 1 centimeter cubes. Okay. So that's the volume. Now we need to get the surface area. It's a little longer equation, but it's simpler. Surface area equals, I'm just going to say the area of base plus top plus left plus right plus, we did the base, counting the surface area. So if I had to carpet the outside, what would it look like? I have to do the base, have to do the top. I do the same ones opposite because they're the same dimension, or they're the same area. Then left and right, it's this area here and this area here. I have to do the back and the front, the big areas here. I'm going to call that back and front. And these are all sides. So let's see what we get here. I'm going to move this equal sign over a little bit. Area of the base, we already figured out, was 2 times 8. 2 times 8. And the top is the same. So 2 times 8 is 16. Maybe I will keep it over this way. 16 plus the top is 16 plus the left side is right here, and the right side's over there. this is 2 by 6, so that's 12 plus 12, they're the same, plus the back and the front. And maybe the back is this big one here. Or the front is that big one, and the back has the same. So let's see here, that is 8 times 6. That's 6 centimeters here. 6 times 8, which is 48. And again, the front and the back are the same, so I said 48. I just need to add all these together. Okay. Let's go on to the next one. Volume of this one, base, and the top are the same, but I'm doing base times height, which is 7. So I multiply by the area of the base, and then it's kind of like an elevator, and I count 7 cubes up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's going up 7 meters, and over here it's going up 4. And we're getting cubic volumes, because they all go stretch across. So the area of the base is 5 times 4, which is 20. I'm just going to throw in the units. It's an easy problem. Meters squared times the height, which is 7 meters. 7 times 20, 140. Meters squared times meters is cubic meters. I need the surface area. That is base times the top, and they're the same, so I'm going to put 2, because there's 2 times. 2 times 5 times 4 plus left and right. I call that, they kind of look like the front and back, but they're the farthest this way for me. That's this part in the back, and that's 5 times 7. And I have to count the front and the back, so I'm going to times it by 2 again. Maybe I should move the 2 out to the front. 35. 7 times 5 is 35, plus the left and right, front and back. Anyways, these two sides, and that's 7 times 4. And there's this one and the one in the back. So I put those things in there. Maybe that'll help see it. I call that the back and front. There's 2 of those. And hope you got them right. Thanks for your good work.